but I was looking across a number of different kinds of opportunities, from larger company, kind of more in strategy roles, kind of a very typical post consulting experience, startup type companies in variety of roles, investing, both the public side and the private, private equity and VC side.
Mm-hmm.
And, I guess considering, hospital administration as well. So I wasn't exactly sure.
That was a lot. Yeah, it's a lot of different.
It's a lot of different, but again, it's more passive. So it was things more inbounds responding to that.
Mm-hmm.
But I think investing was always something that had really intrigued me.
Yeah. How did you think about that? Because they're so different. Where you in your spreadsheet was obviously you have certain things like location, pay, and obvious things. But in terms of how you would rank, like, was the investing job, were those given like extra bonus points, and the administration job was given less, or how were you thinking about it based on like what you had seen?
Yeah. I mean, I think, I was trying to find the perfect storm between, interesting work, lifestyle, and, I guess lifestyle and logistics, if you can kind of, combine that to get, all together.